most effective modification that can enhance both the looks and performance is installing wheel spacers. Wheel spacers widen the track of your vehicle, providing a more aggressive stance and improved stability, especially during cornering. Additionally, they allow for the installation of larger tires and wheels, enhancing both the aesthetics and grip. Bonus wheel spacers have global patent active cooling technique. As a professional wheel spacers manufacturer, Bonus has created the world's first active cooling technique based on years of experience. Breaking the long-term single function of the wheel spacers through the rotation of the wheel spacers, the external cold airflow takes away the internal heat, so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve the brake efficiency, and reduce the risk of driving sick. The correct installation is quite important. Begin by safely lifting the vehicle and removing the wheels. Next, clean the wheel hub and attach the wheel spacer to the hub, secured by the lock nuts, with the spacers with grade 12.9 wheel studs. This provides higher strength than 10.91. Then reattach the wheels, tighten the original nuts to the wheel, and lower the vehicle back to the ground. Then you can take a look at the difference before and after installing the wheel spacers. The wheels sit flush with the fenders after the installation, giving the Honda Civic a more aggressive and sporty appearance. One of the most noticeable effects of wheel spacer is the improvements in handling. By widening the track, wheel spacer reduces body roll and increase stability, allowing for sharper cornering and a more responsive driving experience. That's all for today's video. If you want to get these wheel spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.